Hey, what's up guys? Today we will be making a fish trap out of Lego. Just Lego. No need for anything else apart from tape. You need to seal the cracks. Just Lego. What you need is the base that you're comfortable with. I'm taking these two white pieces and sticking them together with a piece on the bottom. That's what I'm comfortable with. I'm getting the same piece for the top, except it's the other way around, so the fish have time. Next, what you need to find is the wools that you want to use. I want to use these types of wools since they save time and they're pretty efficient. And they're also pretty durable once you stick a top on them. So, what you need to do is stick the wools where you're comfortable. To maximize space, I'm going to stick wools here. Then I'm going to, since I can't stick them all, I'm going to stick them on here. See? So one dot facing outwards. I'll do the same on the other side. And then with my other two pieces, I'll stick them like this. See? Now comes the tricky bit. You need to elevate this. So for the elevation, you're going to need some different bricks. Some bricks like these. Wait 1 sec and I'll be back when I finish them. I am done. So you can see over here that there is a hole in the front. You need to make sure it's a few bricks up. I did 3 brick levels because I'm aiming to catch fish that are around that tall, a bit less. I'm aiming to catch fish that are around this tall. You see the space between my fingers, that tall. So now you need to, make it comfortable with your size of fish trap. And I will show you a diagram a bit later of how this fish trap works. So now you get your top and you put it on. I'll be back in a sec after I put on the top. So once you put the top on, it should look a bit like this. Nothing really special in the middle, nothing inside, just a plain old box. Now you need to seal it with tape. You need to put tape all the way around it and cover up every single crack so the water does not leak in. After that, I will show you how to set it up. See you later. Actually, after, not later, a bit later, after I've, put on the tape. Something, you can also use glue to cover up the cracks. And if you want to go budget, you only have to cover up the cracks up until this line on the fish trap, whatever you're gonna call it. Fish trap, cage, whatever. Sorry it ended so abruptly because I needed to put something on the end that was unnecessary. Anyway, okay. Bye. I hope you had fun. Please like the video. If you didn't, tell me what is wrong and I will try to upgrade it the best I can. Bye.